In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts. Tap on Add at the bottom and click on a contact you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. After each one, you will see this pop up. If you want to notify this contact that it became your emergency one, hit OK. If you don't, select Cancel. To edit your list, use this button at the top right corner and click on this X next to your contact you wanna get rid of. Then tap on Remove in the pop-up. Don't worry, it won't be deleted from your device, only from emergency contact list. When you finished, you can go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can swipe up and tap on Emergency at the bottom left corner to see if it worked. Then Emergency Information and Emergency Contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!